Discretion is not what I'm used to. Just wanna try you on. I'm curious for you. You got my attention. I kissed a girl I liked it. The taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed a girl just to try it. I hope my boyfriend don't mind it. It felt so wrong. It felt so chest. You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door. You could throw your hands up, you could beat the clock. You could move a mountain, you can break rocks. You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself. Standing in the hall
Today I
of fame. You and the world's gonna know your name. You, 'cause you burn with the brightest flame. You and the world's gonna know your name. You and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. The distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile. You could be a hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke. Get do it for your people, do it for your pride. How you ever gonna know if you never even try? Do it for your country, do it for your name. This is gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. You and the world's gonna know your name. You, 'cause you burn with the brightest flame. You and the world's gonna know your name. You and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, yeah, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, yeah, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame. You and the world's gonna know your name. You, 'cause you burn with the brightest flame. You and the world's gonna know your name. You and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion.
Sunlight matic click.
She's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse, but she a blessing. She'll rip your shirt, within a second you'll be coming back for second. With your play, you just can't help it. No, you'll play along. Let her lead you on. You'll be saying no, then saying yes, 'cause she messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Grab a cop gun, kinda crazy. She's poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, don't walk away. Yeah, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. So someone say.
okay. You can hear me, right? Okay. Uh, Good evening, all the students in grade 8 English medium. So today I'm going to discuss first term model paper with you, and I know there are some new students as well. So I will be explaining everything regarding our classes. Meanwhile, I'm doing the seminar, and also I hope that you have already received the paper, and I think you have already completed the paper, and I can go for the discussion, and I can go for the problems if you have meanwhile I'm doing the seminar. Turn on the chat. Are there any new students here? Put new to the chat if you are a new student. If you are a new student, put new to the chat. And how are you, my all the students? Turn on the chat. All right. Okay. All right. Turn on the chat. Yeah. Turn on the chat. If you are a new student, put new to the chat. Are there any new students? Okay. All right. So today I'm going to discuss I have already sent you a model first term paper to your home. So I'm going to discuss it. Right. Okay. Let's go, Pute. Let's go. Number one, write the next two terms of the number pattern. So here you can see there is a number pattern. So you have to find the next two terms of this number pattern. When you refer for this number pattern, so what is the pattern here? What is the pattern here? So here you can see 5, 9, 13, 17, right? 5 plus 4, 9, 9, right? 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 17, right? So the next term is 17 plus 4, it is 21. Right, so here it is 21. So what is the next term would be 21 plus 4, it is 25, right? So here it should be 25. Turn on the chat. Can you understand this? It's very easy, right? Turn on the chat. ඔබ අපි ඒවා කරනවා. හරි. බලනවා ඉන්න. Find the perimeter of its shape. Okay, what do you mean by the perimeter? Perimeter means total outer boundary distance of a closed plane figure. Perimeter means total outer boundary distance of a closed plane figure. Hurry. And closed plane figure is total outer boundary distance. Okay, let's see. Four plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If you have to add 3 4 times, that means 4 times 3. And for example, 3 plus 3 කියන්නේ 6 නේ. හරි. 6 කියනක ඕන 2 into 3 කියලා ලියලා ගන්න තිබ්බා. Then 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 හතර පාරක් add වෙන්න දිනකොට 4 into 3 12 නේ පුතේ. හරි. නැත්නම් add කරලා බලන්නකෝ 6 9 3 12. හරි. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I can take 4 times 3. So here it is 12. So the perimeter is 16 centimeters. Right? The perimeter is 16 centimeters. So the total outer boundary distance of this figure is 16 centimeters. Put yes to the chat if you can understand. Okay. Turn off the chat. No. So about perimeter means total outer boundary distance of a closed plane figure. All right. Okay, let's see. In this diagram given below, AOB is a straight line segment. Name the supplementary angle of AOD and the complementary angle of COD. What do you mean by supplementary angle and what do you mean by complementary angle? Puta, what do you mean by supplementary angle? Supplementary angle means, Pute, Hari, if sum of two angles is 180, those two angles are supplementary angles. For example, in this example, you can understand x plus y is 180 because it is a straight angle. Because of that, I can say x and y are supplementary angles. X and y are supplementary angles. So what do you mean by complementary angle? Complementary angle එකක් කියන්නේ පුතේ. Complementary angle means if sum of two angles are if the sum of two angles is 90 degree. For example, if this angle is m and if this angle is n, so m plus n is 90, no? Then I can say m and n are complementary angles. Complementary angles. හරි. එහෙනම් AOD කියන angle එකේට අදාළ supplementary angle එක කවුද? හරි. එතකොට AOD කියන angle එකත් එක්ක supplementary angle එක වෙන්නේ මෙයා. Okay. So that would be BOD angle or DOB, BOD. So whatever, හරි. I can say BOD angle. What is the complementary angle of COD? මේ බලන්න. දැන් මේ COD කියන angle එකට complementary වෙන්නේ කවුද? 90 degree sum එක එන්නේ. දැන් මෙයා 90 මෙයා 90 නේ. දැන් මෙයා angle එක. හරි. Okay. So that is also DOB. That is also DOB. Turn on the chat for HP. Put yes to the chat if you can understand this. Sayuni. Turn off the chat. පුතේ මේ අහන්නකෝ. මොනවද supplementary angles කියලා කියන්නේ? දැන් මෙහෙම adjacent angles නේද? බද්ධ කෝණ adjacent angles. හරිද? Adjacent angles. දැන් මේ බලන්න x plus y කියන්නේ 180 as this is a straight angle. If so, I can say x and y are supplementary angles. If x plus y 180, so x and y are supplementary. Here, if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, for example, here m plus n 90, so I can say m and n are complementary angles. එතකොට මේ AOD කියන angle එකේ supplementary angle එක වෙන්නේ කවුද පුතේ? එයාට කවුරු එකතු කරොත්ද 180 වෙන්නේ? මෙයා එකතු කරොත් නේ DOB එහෙම නැත්නම් BOD. ඊට පස්සේ COD කියන angle එකට දාලා complementary angle එක වෙන්නේ. මෙයාට කවුරු එකතු කරොත්ද 90 වෙන්නේ? මෙයාව එකතු කරොත් BOD. Okay. එමත් තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ඉතින් මොකද කරන්නේ? Right. Let's go to this. Okay. It is very important fact that the sign conversion is very important. Puta, if you multiply plus by plus, it is plus. If you multiply minus by minus, it is plus. So you can keep in your mind that if you multiply the same signs, it is plus. If you multiply plus by minus, it is minus. If you multiply minus by plus, it is minus. You can keep in your mind that if you multiply different signs, it is minus. Sign conversions. Okay. So here it is plus 5 නේ පුතේ. මෙතන plus 5 ඉන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේ minus අනිවාර්යෙන් multiply වෙන්න ඕනේ පුතේ කාත් එක්කද plus එන්න නම්. minus minus එක multiply වෙන්න ඕනේ. same signs තමයි plus වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතන එන value එක පුතේ minus value එකක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. 3 කාගෙන් multiply කරොත්ද 15 වෙන 5 ගෙන් multiply කරොත්. So here value should be minus 5. මේ minus into minus plus 3 into 5 15 මේ plus into plus තමයි plus minus into minus plus. If you multiply same signs it is plus. Different signs it is minus. Same thing තමයි පුතේ division වල. Same thing තමයි division. මොකද්ද? If you divide plus by plus it is plus. If you divide minus by minus it is plus. Same wise, if you divide plus by minus, it is minus. If you divide minus by plus, it is minus. If you divide same signs, it is plus. If you divide different signs, it is minus. එහෙනම් මේ බලන්න මෙතන minus එන්න නම් plus divide වෙන්න ඕනේ minus කෙන්. plus කෙන් වෙලා බෑ. 16 කාගෙන් divide වුණාද 4 එන්නේ? 4 ගෙන් divide වුණා. හරිනේ මේ plus 16 over minus 4. Plus over minus minus 16 over 4. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Turn off the chat. Vihangi. Yeah, I know you are new to the class. Okay, remove the brackets and simplify. If you did not do, please do right now. I hope you have already done it, right? Because I have sent the paper to your home and to the as PDFs as well from the both methods. And I told you to do that, right? Okay, let's do. Price of x plus 3 plus 5x. Okay, let's remove the brackets. 3 multiplied by x, it is 3x. 3 multiplied by plus 3. So here it is also plus into plus 3 into 3, 9. And here it is 5x. Okay. So 3x or now 5x ma methanic liya plus 5x or plus 9 habit thing. 3x plus 5x means 8x. 8x plus 9. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Janisha, what's the problem? You have to remove remove the brackets. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into plus 3. මෙතන ඉන්නේ plus තමයි අපි ලියවෙන්නේ තුනට. Plus into plus 3 into 3 9. හරි. මේක ඕනම් මම පල්ලෙහාට හැදුවොත් 3 into x 3x 3 into plus 3 මේ plus into plus 3 into 3 9. ඔන්න මෙතන 5x in. 3x plus 5x means 8x no. So 8x plus 9 is the answer. Let's go to the next problem. In a solid with straight edges and there are 12 edges and 8 vertices, find the number of the faces by using the Euler's relationship. Can you remind the Euler's relationship? V plus F is equal E plus 2. You have to keep in Euler's relationship. Violet Fernando number of vertices plus number of faces is equal to the number of edges plus 2. Okay, so number of vertices, it is 8. Number of faces, I do not know, so I put F here. Edges 12, right? So 12 plus 2. Instead of V, I substitute 8. Instead of V, 12. Okay, so here 8 plus F. So here it is 8 plus F is equal to 40. I need to make F as a subject in this equation. So this 8 is a disturbance. So I need to eliminate this 8. In order to eliminate 8 from this side, I subtract 8 from this side. If you subtract 8 from this side, you have to subtract 8 from other side. According to the axioms. සමීකරණයක එක පැත්තකින් යම් සංඛ්‍යාවක් අඩු කරපුවාම අනිත් පැත්තනොත් ඒ ප්‍රමාණයම අඩු කරන්න ඕන. තරාදියක දෙපැත්ත බැලන්ස් වෙලා තිනකොට මේ පැත්තෙන් බරක් අඩු කරොත් අනිත් පැත්තනොත් ඒ බරම අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ මේ බැලන්ස් එක තියාගන්න. හරි. So 8 minus 8 කියන්නේ 0. So F is equal 14 minus 8. So it is answer is 6. So the number of faces is 6. Put yes to the chat if you can understand, Jyoti. Sure. Right, Euler's relationship, you have to keep in your mind, maybe E plus F is equal E plus 2 again. Euler's relationship. Solid object take number of vertices, number of faces, and number of edges. Other than relationship. Violet Fernando it was a solving simple equations. 8 plus F is equal 12 plus 2 means 14. You have to make F as a subject. So if you have to subtract 8 from this side, if you subtract 8 from one side, you have to subtract 8 from other side as well. So F is 6. That means number of faces of the particular solid object is 6. write the expression as a product of two factors. Okay, let's see. 3ax minus 5bx. So what are the common terms in these two terms? මේ two terms වල common term එකක් කියනවාද x ඉන්නවනේ පුතා. So I can take x outside. තව වෙන කවුරුත් නැහැ. So I can take x outside. So here if I take x outside of this term, so it is 3a minus here it is 5b. මේ බලන්න 3ax plus into minus minus 5bx. So I have factorized this. So this I have written as product of two factors. Product of two factors. Yes to the chat if you can understand, Shruti. Okay, turn off the chat. Find the value of square root of 49 minus square root of 9. What do you mean by square root? Then for example, then 1 squared. 1 squared can be 1 into 1. So it is 1. Then 2 squared means what? 2 into 2, no? It is 4. 3 squared means 3 into 3, no? It is 9. Hari? එතකොට ඔය 9 ගේ ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එක තමයි පුතේ 3 කියන්නේ. ඒ 4 ගේ ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එක 2. 1 ගේ ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එක 1. Likewise, then a into a means a squared නේ පුතේ. එහෙනම් square root of a squared is a. You can understand, right? And the 49 කියන්නේ පුතේ 7 squared නේ. 7 into 7 49 වෙන්නේ. So 7 squared, here it is 3 square root of 3 squared. එතකොට දැන් a squared ගේ square root එක a නම් 7 squared ගේ square root එක 7. 3 squared ගේ square root එක 3. දැන් 49 ගේ square root එක 4. 7. Sorry. 9 ගේ square root එක 3. 7 minus 3 4. පුතා. In what are the relationships in mass then? You already know. Thousand milligram is 1 gram. 1000 gram. is 1 kilogram. 1000 kilogram is 1 metric ton. Okay. So here you have to write the mass in kilograms. So 5 ton. 5 ton and 50 kilograms. Alright. So there you have to understand. දැන් ton එකක් කියන්නේ කොච්චරක්ද පුතේ? ton එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ 1000. ඒ කියන්නේ 5 ton කියලා කියන්නේ 5 into 1000 kilograms. Okay. 5 into 1000 kilograms. Plus හිතන්නකෝ දැන් 5 into 1000 නේ. 5 into 1000 kilograms මොකද ton එකක් කියන්නේ 1000 kilograms. What plus 50 kilograms. Then 5 into 1000 means පුතා 5000 kilograms. 5000 kilograms plus 50 kilograms. So answer is 5050 kilograms. It is very easy. 1 metric ton කියලා කියන්නේ 1000 kilograms. එහෙනම් 5 tons කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ 5000 kilograms. There are 5000 and another 50 is there. There are 5050 kilograms. 5 නේ තියෙන්නේ, sorry. 50 නෙමෙයි 5 නේ තියෙන්නේ. Write as a power of product. Write as a power of product. 100x square. So I can write it as then 100 into x squared. No? 100 I can write it as 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 into x to the power 2, I can write it as 10 to the power x. Yeah, I guess second power x. Then that means 10x second power. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ දැන් for example හිතන්නකො මේ what is the answer for this 3 into 2 6 no? So 6 to the power 2 is 36, right? හරි. මට කියන්න එහෙනම් මෙන්න මේකේ 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 answer කියන්නකො. Then 3 to the power 2 කියන්නේ 9. 2 to the power 2 means 4. Answer is 36, right? So you can understand එහෙනම් 3 to the power 2 ගේ second power එක that is equal to the 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. එහෙනම් මේ product එකක power එකක් තියෙනවා නම් powers වල product එකක් විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. powers වල product එකක් කියන්නේ මම කියන්නේ ඒක index equal වෙන්න ඕන. මෙහෙම දෙනවා මෙහෙම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. For example a into b හරි Okay, m power, I can write a to the power m into b to the power m, right? So here 100 is 10 to the power 2, here x to the power 2. So 10 into x, its second power. That means 10x to the power 2. Can you understand this? Yeah. Okay. Another shot. When I'm teaching, you have to listen very carefully. අහන් ඉන්න ඕන. දැන් මෙහෙම දෙනවා කියන්නේ a to the power m, a to the power m into b to the power m. So I can write it as a into b is m power. එනම් more than. And 10 to the power 2 into x to the power 2 එක 10 into x its second power කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. 100 can 10 to the power 2. 10 into 10, 100. Let's see the 11th question. This is a nice question. පුතා, you have to listen to me very carefully. පස්සේ ආයි කියලා දෙන්න කියන්න එපා. අහන් ඉන්න හොඳට. හොඳට අහන් ඉන්න. If I take a negative number, that, for example, minus 1, right? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1's plus power, it is, what is the answer? Minus 1. Minus 1's second power, what is the answer, Budhi? Minus 1 into minus 1, right? Alright. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1's third power. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. දැන් පුතා සයින් කන්වර්ෂන් එක ආයි කියන්න ඕනද? ඔය කියන්න බෑ අපි බලන්න ඉන්නේ. පුතේ plus into plus it is plus. Minus into minus it is plus. If you multiply same signs it is plus. Plus into minus it is minus. Minus into plus it is minus. If you multiply different signs it is minus. Then minus 1 to the power 3. So here minus 1 into minus 1 it is minus into minus plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So plus 1 into minus 1 plus into minus minus 1 into 1 1. එතකොට මොකද්ද පුතේ මෙතන තේරෙන්නේ? මේ බලන්න මෙයාගේ මේ ඉන්ඩෙක්ස් එක ඔඩ් නම් minus 1. ඒක even නම් plus 1. odd නම් minus 1, even නම් plus 1. දැන් උන් බලන්නකො minus 1 to the power 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. මේ බලන්න minus minus plus plus 1 into 1 1. මේ බලන්න minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. Plus into plus plus 1 into 1 1. දැක්කද? odd නම් minus 1, even නම් plus 1. odd නම් minus 1, even නම් plus 1. එහෙනම් minus 1 to the power 2020 කියන්නේ even number එකක්. එහෙනම් එතන එන්නේ පුතේ 1. අතන 2021 even එකක්. එහෙනම් එතන එන්නේ minus 1. මෙතන එන්නේ 1, අතන එන්නේ minus 1. 1 is greater than minus 1, right? එහෙමත් තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ඉතින් මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Turn off the shirt. The Hamza, this is streaming on the YouTube. Ishara Madushan YouTube channel එකට ගියා. පොඩක් එහාට කරලා බැලුවා. ඒක මේ අද ක්ලාස් එක ස්ට්‍රීම් වෙනවා. as a free seminar එකක් නිසා. Okay, let's see the 12th question. Write as a product of two factors. It is very easy. 4p minus 2, when you consider about the term 4p and minus 2, 2 is a common factor. It is the highest common factor. So I can take it out. Now, for example, 4p I can write as 2 into 2p. 2 I can write as, right, 2 into 1. Then 2 කියන එක common එකක් නේ එළියට ගත්තාම 2p minus 1. හරිනේ මේ 2 into 2p 4p plus into minus minus 2 into 1 2. Right? So I have written this algebraic expression in terms of two factors. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Okay, turn off the chat. Okay, let me explain about our classes. This is the timetable. Live class is on Saturday 5:30 p.m. Repeat class is on, if you miss the live class, you can come to the repeat Thursday 7 p.m. If you miss the repeat class, you can watch class recordings anytime from my website, isharamadushan.lk. Each and every month, you will be receive your tutorial to your home. Okay. Okay, tutor එකක් හදරට හම්බ වෙනවා free of charge each and every month. හරි. You will receive the tutor previous month එකේ නම් with the tutor I have sent the first term model paper as well. Paper materials ගෙදරට නොමිලේ හැම මාසෙම හම්බ වෙනවා. Class fee එක වෙන්නේ 2000 rupees. Okay. So per 2000 rupee class fee, you are getting your tutorial to your home free of charge each and every month. And you can watch class recordings from my website anytime, isharamadushan.lk. Let me show that. ඒ ඔක්කොම අපි කියනවා. Can watch class recordings anytime. මේක account එකක් හදන්න ඕනේ. වැඩ වගේක් තියෙනවා. හරි. Make sure to join with the class. Class if you want to join the class. හරි. If you want to join the class from here onwards, I'm just telling this for the newbies. make sure to join the WhatsApp community group that I'm posting right now. WhatsApp community to join me. We will be informing everything regarding our classes on that. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next problem. 13th one. You have to express this in mass in kilograms. Kilograms, we already know 1 ton. 1 metric ton is 1000 kilograms. 1 metric ton is 1000 kilograms. So how much it is for 5.43 tons, right? So you need to multiply 5.43 by 1000. එක ටොන් එකක් කියන්නේ මෙච්චරක් නම් 5.43 කියලා කියන්නේ 5.43 into 1000, right? If you multiply this by 1000, මේ decimal point එක පුතේ දෙකක් දකුණට යනවා. You have to move this decimal point twice to the right hand side. So that is 5543 kilograms. Sorry. තව එකක් යනවනේ. 1 2 දෙකක් නෙමෙයි තුනක් යනවා 1000 වලින් multiply කරනකොට. 1 2 another one. And here like 5.43 I can put any number of zeros to the here ඕන තරම් zeros ලියන්න පුළුවන් decimal point එකෙන් පස්සේ අග zeros ඕන තරම් ලියන්න පුළුවන්. So 1 2 3, right? Then a decimal point. There are 5430 kilograms. Let's go to the following question. Dodecahedron. Madan. Okay, let's see. අපි dodecahedron එකේ 3D view එකක් පෙන්නමු ළමයින්ට. Dodecahedron has 12 phases, right? Pentagon phases. පෙන්නනවා මම 3D view එකක් පෙන්නනවා දැන්. Okay, screen එක share කරනවා. But let me show that. So here you can see, so this is a dodecahedron. There are 12 phases. Right? Each and every phase is a pentagon. Regular pentagon. Hari. There are platonic solids can you remember the platonic solids කියලා කියන්නේ පුතා? හැම phase එකක්ම equal වෙන solid එකක්. So dodecahedron is a platonic object. හරි. එතකොට dodecahedron එකක phases 12. There are 12 phases. හරි. What is the geometric name of the shape of its face? It's a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon, right? Turn on the chat. Can you remember this? Can you remember this? Okay. Let's go to the 15th problem. Let's go to the 15th problem. What it says, length of a rectangle is 5 centimeter less than the twice of its width. The width of the rectangle is 8 centimeters. Express its length as an algebraic expression. So there is a rectangle, okay? So the width is A, right? Width is A centimeters. Length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter less than twice of its width. The twice of its width can 2a. So 5 centimeter less can 2a minus 5. So the answer is 2a minus 5 centimeters. Okay. 5 centimeter less than the twice of its width. Okay. Right. So I wrote x instead of a. Foul, but the question it has given a නේ පුතේ. ඔය x ලියලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. මේක දීලා තියෙන්නේ a width එක. Then twice of a minus 5. 2a minus 5. Okay. Artemis, foul, okay. Leo, okay. I'm asking from Leo. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's go to the 16th problem. Select the numbers that cannot be at the ones place of a perfect square number from the following. So ones place කියන එක දන්නවනේ. For example, then 2315. මේ ඇවිල්ලා ones place. මේ tens place. මේක hundreds place. මේක thousands place. හරි. There are perfect square. What do you mean by perfect square? For example, 1 square. 1 square is 1, right? 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. හරි. 10 square 100 නේ. එතකොට දැන් මෙතනින් එහාට 11 නේ පුතේ. එතකොට 11 අහම ආයි 1 වගේ තියෙන. හරි. එතකොට ඕනම perfect square එක අග තියෙන්න පුළුවන් ඉලක්කම් තමයි පුතේ 1. හරි. 4 5 6 හරි. 7 9 8 9 9. ඔය විතරයි. බලන්න හැම ඉලක්කකම ones place වල ඉන්නේ එක්ක 1 4 9 එක්ක 6 4 5 6 4 9 4 1 4 0 0 ඉන්නත් පුළුවන්. එතකොට පුතේ 2 3 කියන ඒවා වෙන්න බෑ. 1 okay 4 okay 5 okay but 2 3. perfect square එක ones place එකේ 2 and 3 ඉන්න බෑ. කියන්නේ ඉන්නේ නැහැ කොහෙවත්. හරි. ඔක මම කිව්වා නෝට් වල දීලා තියෙනවා. දැන් 11 square ගත්තොත් එහෙනම් පුතේ ආයෙන්නේ 121. ඒතර අර 1 ගේ එකක් මේ 1 නේ අන්තිමට තියෙන යාගේ. තමයි 12 squared 144. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Yeah, turn on the chat. We shall go to the next problem. Go. Seventeenth. Okay, find the value of the y in this figure. පොඩක් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ළමයි මේ ෆිගර් එක පොඩක් අර මෙතන ස්ට්‍රේට් ලයින් එකක් වගේ තියෙන නිසා ඔයාලට පැටලෙන්න පුළුවන් මේක 90 කියලා අරගෙන y 45 කියලා ගනි ඔයගොල්ලෝ. ඒ නිසා පොඩ්ඩක් මේ රූපේ පොඩ්ඩක් අපි වෙනස් කරගමු. මෙන්න මෙහෙම වෙනස් කරගමු හරි. This is 90. This is y, this is y, this is y. This is 120. Now I need to find y. පුතේ දැන් මේ පොයින්ට් එක අපි දන්නවා පොයින්ට් එකක් වටේ කෝණ වල එකතුව it is 360 right. දැන් මේ පොයින්ට් එක වටේට මේ y plus y plus y plus 120 plus 90. හරි. So I can say y plus y plus y plus 120 plus 90 is 360. Y plus y plus y, it is 3y. 120 plus 90, it is 210, is equal to 360. I need to find y පුතා. හරි. අපි දන්නවා පොයින්ට් එකක් වටේ ඔක්කොම කෝණවල එකතුව 360. So y plus y plus y 3y, 120 plus 90, it is 210. Here it is plus. So I need to make y as a subject. At first, I need to eliminate this 210. It is a disturbed. So I subtract 210 from this side. If you subtract something from one side, you have to subtract that thing from other side as well. So here it cancels off. So 3y is equal to 250, right? 150. I need to make y as a subject. If I want to make y as a subject here, I divide this side by 3. If you divide one side by something in an equation, you have to divide the other side by that thing as well. So y is 150 over 3. There are 5 3s for 15. So here the answer is 50. So y is 50. ෆිගර් එක පොඩ්ඩක් මේ විදිහට චේන්ජ් කරගන්න. නැත්නම් අරක ස්ට්‍රේට් ලයින් එකක් කියලා වල හිතුවොත් අතර 90 කියලා අරගෙන y 45 කියලා ගන්න සමහර. ඒතර වැරදි. ඒතර ඒක. Okay. Can you understand? Okay, there is a substitution for algebraic expressions. So it says x is plus 1 and x is minus 1, x is minus 1 and y is 2. When x is minus 1 and y is 2, you need to find what is the value of x squared plus y. Substitute x is minus 1, so x වෙනුවට minus 1 substitute කරන minus 1 squared. මේ x වෙනුවට minus 1 ඔබනවා. හරි. Instead of x you put minus 1 squared. දැන් මෙතනින් x squared නේ. එහෙනම් x වෙනුවට minus 1 squared plus instead of y I put 2. So minus 1 squared means minus 1 into minus 1 or minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. So plus 1 plus 2. Answer is plus 3. Plus 3 කියලා ලියන්නත් පුළුවන් නැත්නම් නිකන් 3 කියලා ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Turn on the chat, can you understand? It's a fifth power. Sorry. මට අර මේ light එකට පේන්න නැහැ. X to the power 5. එහෙනම් minus 1 to the power 5 plus 2. පුතා කලින් කිව්වා minus 1 ගේ දැන් minus value එකක දැන් මේ මෙතන power එක පුතේ if it is a odd number it is minus 1. If it is a even number it is plus 1. Then for example minus 1 to the power 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 2 is minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. The minus 1 into minus 1 can plus 1 plus into minus 1. මේ power එක odd නම් minus 1 even නම් plus 1. දැන් odd නේ එහෙනම් minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 කියන්නේ plus 1. ඒක නම්බර් ලයින් එකකින් හිතන්නත් පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් මේ දෙන චේන්ජ් කරන්නකො +2 -1. මේ සයින් එකයිද මෙයාට. මෙයායිද මෙයාට. දෙන මාරු කරලා ලියුවොත් +2 -1 කියන්නේ +1. Can you understand? Okay? Okay, Sharwa. You understand, right? Yes. All right. Okay, let's go to the 19th problem. Write the first term of the number sequence with the general term එක ඔන්න දීලා තියෙනවා. General term. ඒ කියන්නේ nth term number pattern එකක nth term දීලා තියෙනවා. Nth term is n into n plus 1 over 2. I need to find the first term. ඒ කියන්නේ t1 තමයි හොයන්න ඕනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මම n equal 1 substitute කරනවා මේ equation. මේ formula එකට කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. formula එකට. n තියෙන හැමතැනම 1 දාන්න. මේ n තියෙන තැනට 1 දානවා. මේ n තියෙන තැනට 1. 1 plus 1 2. 1 into 2 2 no 2 over 2. If you divide 2 by 2 answer is 1. So t1 is 1. ඒ කියන්නේ first term එක 1. මේ number pattern එකේ first term එක 1. අතරම ඔය triangular numbers වල number pattern එක දීලා තියෙනවා. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? General term එකට n equal 1 දැම්මම t1 එනවා. යුරේෂ් පෙරේරා මං හිතන්නේ ඔයා මුකුත් මේ ඉගෙනගෙන නැද්ද කොහෙද? කනේ අද අලුතෙන් ආපු බබ් එක වෙන්නේ නැති. ඉස්කෝලේ කියන්නේ මං ෆස්ට් lessons මුකුත් ඉගෙනගෙන නෑ වගේ. ෆස්ට් යුනිට් එක සංඛ්‍යා number sequences. දැන් වහන number sequence එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා මට. ෆස්ට් යුනිට් එකේ නමම number sequence. number patterns. හරි? number sequence එකක්. කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා අපි උගන්වනවා එතන. First lesson is number patterns. ශුභ සංඛ්‍යා අනුක්‍රමයක් කියලා කියන අපි සිංහලෙන්. number sequence එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ it's a number pattern එකක්. Let's say the 20th problem. Find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter means what? Know that. Total outer boundary distance is the perimeter. I need to find the total outer boundary distance of a closed plane figure is the perimeter. This is the closed plane figure. Okay, so here it is 4 and here it is 4. 2. So what is this length? මේ length එක හම්බ වෙනවා මේ 3 plus 2 plus 3. මේ length එක හම්බ වෙනවා මේ. මෙහෙම තේරෙනව නේද නැද්ද? මේක 3. මේක 2. මේක 3. මේක 8. So the perimeter, total outer boundary distance, sorry. 8 plus. Sorry, how many twos? How many twos? 1, 2, 3. So thrice of 2. Plus how many fours? 1, 2. Twice of 4. How many threes? 2. कारण ඔක්කොම හරිද දැන් ඔක්කොම හරි. මෙයා හරි, මෙයා හරි, මෙයා හරි, මෙයා හරි, මෙයා හරි, මෙයා හරි. 8 plus, how many 2s? 1, 2, 3. Thrice of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 can thrice of 2. How many 4s? 1, 2, 1, 2. So 4 plus 4 can 8 twice of 4. How many 3s? 1, 2. That's all. Twice of 3. So 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6, 14. 28 centimeters. Turn on the chat. Can you understand these? Do you have any problems? Okay, so that's it for today. So I have discussed the first paper, first part of the paper. Okay. All right. So I'm asking from you, did you understand everything perfectly? And also, did you understand everything perfectly? The things I taught you? Everyone, that way. You could understand clearly everything. Nice. Okay. Okay, Buddha. So new students, if you are willing to come to our classes, make sure to join with the community. And okay, Buddha, so I'm going to wind up the session from here. See you on the next week. Okay, see you on the next week. Okay, Buddha.
Kiss your neck with no emotion. When she's mean, you know you love it. She tastes so sweet.